Hi there, this is Deb Evans. You're looking at a geo filter that I created for Snapchat for a Waco trip that I just took. Within Snapchat, if you're a Snapchat user, you know that once you snap your picture, you can swipe left and you can add filters to the picture that you take. I wanted to add a filter that had a logo on there. So I'll show you how to get to Snapchat, and you do have to purchase the filters, but I really see it as a great business tool. If you're having an event or attending an event, and you can create your own filter. So I'm going to be attending a networking event this week, and I'm going to create and purchase a filter for that event. So this is what this filter looked like. We visited the Dwyer Group in Waco, but you can see that it says I'm having fun with, and it had my Social Geek Radio logo at the bottom. So I'm going to close this photo. I use PicMonkey to create my pictures. I'm going to take you over to GeoFilter. So we'll start here. This is the URL that you would go to, geofilters.snapchat.com, to purchase your GeoFilter. And you see here it says it needs to be 1080 by 1920. So I have to choose a file, but actually first I have to design the file. So I'm going to go back to PicMonkey. And I know I want to make my own design. I'm going to custom size it. So it was 1080 by 1920. I'm going to make that. Now a tip for you, I made the GeoFilter in the correct size, submitted it to Snapchat, and it was denied because it said it needed to be in a transparent canvas. So I had to start again. So if you're in PicMonkey, you're going to click here, transparent canvas, click apply. And let's see if I move my screen a little bit so I can show you the other tools. You're going to put some text at the top. You can. I'm definitely going to put text at the top of mine. I'm just going to go with something simple. Move the text to the top. I'm going to give it a color. Yeah, I'll go with it. I think the turquoise might work. Now I want to size it a little bit. It's a little too big. I have to highlight this. Change the size a little bit. Maybe make it in italics. Yeah, I'm not really liking that text. I think I'll go with this one. Alright. Now, you can see in the transparent, it's kind of hard to see, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Now I need to add my own overlay, so I'm going to come back over here. You have these overlays, you can choose one, but I want to add my own logo. And I know I'm going to the Northwest Houston Business Professional Luncheon, so let's just say I want to add that logo. I want to keep it a little simple. Don't want to have too much. I want to make sure Snapchat approves it. Don't want it too big so that it doesn't cover up the whole picture. There you go. So I've made my overlay. I need to save it. Give it a name. Save it to my computer. Looks like it's going to go right into, I already made one, but I made a second one here. So I could show you how to do it. This is what it looks like. So I can close PicMonkey, come back to my Snapchat. So now I'm ready to choose my file. And I've got my filter here. That's what it looks like. Looks pretty good. I'm going to say okay, let's go next. Now you have to choose your dates. You cannot choose dates too far in advance. Let's say, looks like it would only take me to July 15th, but this event is actually Thursday the 16th. And give it the time frame that we're going to be working. So let's start at 11 a.m. and we're going to go to 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So it's just a few hours. And I'm going to click next. Now, you have to draw your geofence. You have to tell Snapchat where is this event going to be held. So I have a specific address. So I'm going to be very specific with this. Let me make sure. Yep, and there's the address. So it's right there at that location, but I still have to draw a fence. If I made this larger, so let's say we were going to be on Cypresswood, maybe down here, the cost is going to go up. So when you have a very small location, just like one building, it really doesn't cost that much to buy a filter. So I clicked Draw Fence. I'm going to click here at the top of the little map. Get it right here. I want to make sure I get my whole building. All right, so I've drawn, and I'm going to click Next. And it's only $5. That's pretty cool. All you have to do then is enter your credit card information and submit, and you'll get a verification from Snapchat right away saying that it will be reviewed on the next business day. I can tell you the last filter I did, I submitted it like at 6 a.m. Central Time, and by 9 a.m. it was accepted. So, and it's pretty cool. I think it's a great business tool. Have a lot of fun with it. And let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help.